Last year sounds really exciting from the outside, but I'm dying inside because I've discovered that things have changed in my life slowly and I missed out a lot of myself in the past couple months and actually lead to big stress and depression. And I discovered a sad truth that I don't want to be Dr. Nancy Lee anymore. And my product management content is going to change forever starting from today. As you know, last year I had my second newborn baby, so my son is 2-year-old and plus a newborn baby. Right now, I have 1-year-old and 2-year-old. The baby just turned 1-year-old. And also need to run all my social channels from YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, and my coaching business, PM Accelerator, plus our new adventure, which is AI Product Management Bootcamp. And this really burned me out. From outside, it looks so glory, exciting. Yeah, it is true. I became LinkedIn's top voice last year and featured on Forbes. And our students are landing tier 1 company offers and week after week, and especially in those AI teams of those tier 1 companies such as Google, Meta, Nvidia, Amazon. And our student in the AI PM Bootcamp launched 21 real-world AI products that impact millions of people's lives. I was quite empty and sad and stressful inside. It was because after doing reflection and I went to Tony Robbins' Date of Destiny, I was asked to do diagrams of my life and to draw circles about relationship, work, family, and me time. And looks like this. Literally, the work is this big and family circle is huge. Me time is a dot on the map and relationship is also dot on the map. No wonder I fight with my husband every single week. And yes, we fight in front of our kids, which is also quite shameful and embarrassing. And also challenge the next part, which is parenting and family time. And I literally prioritize my time with my kids every single day. And I spend 6 hours per day with my kids, starting from 3 p.m. all the way to 8:30 p.m. after they go sleep. And then afterwards, I work until midnight to work on my coaching program. But I start to discover that the relationship with my husband started to went downhill because we never really tried to grow it. We spend so much time with our kids. And I never spent me time. I didn't even know me time ever existed. I never gone shopping for 4 years, and I don't go to spa to do those facial treatment anymore, and those wrinkles start to pop up. This is my life. That's why in the new year, I start to do something dramatically different. I'm gonna do stand-up comedy show. Yes, I'm serious. On the way back to our car, we're eating the most delicious macaron in our life. However, suddenly, we saw an orange ticket on a car is $25 ticket for the parking. Thank you, Mr. Toastmasters and judges and friends. Because I really want to express lots of challenges we have gone through as a career-driven woman, new parents, new moms in their personal life. Because I wish I already know lots of things earlier. For example, I wish someone had told me that once you have a couple of kids, you're no longer a woman anymore. You're a mom. You start to wear the mom jeans. You start to throw away your small little cute bags. You start to have a huge, gigantic bags called mommy bags. You also start to make lots of mom friends, which is quite exciting. And actually, do you know what is mom jeans? It is something really high up that you're trying to tuck in your belly as much as possible because after a couple of kids and you're really trying to lose a 5 pounds weight left over, but so resistant it didn't want to go away. And I also wish someone had told me that 1 + 1 is bigger than 2. This is especially true after I have 2 kids under 3. I'm also quite lucky that I found a group of moms in my mom group, but also very sad to discover that lots of moms, including myself, after we have a couple of kids, we start to look older. And maybe because we're lacking of sleep all the time because newborn baby. Maybe also because some of us took Ozempic. That's the key words for last year. So if you already cracked some love, comment below. If you haven't, You still need to like this video, comment below, let me know how this New Year's resolution works out in terms of my comedy. Now, let's talk more regarding the content. I'm still going to spend 80% of the content talking about product management and helping people land a product manager job and also become AI product manager and launching amazing AI or product management product in general. The other 20% of the content, I'm going to focus on something makes me happy and also some topic, important issues I really love to talk about through jokes, laughter, some goofy clips. You never know what we're gonna look like, but you gotta stay subscribed and check out those new content for sure. People also ask me, so what are those new key topics I'm passionate about? They include parenting and pregnancy, professional development, and other inspirational content. And also gonna make a promise for myself for the new year that check less on social media because it actually give me lots of mom guilt. Did this happen to you whenever you check out people on Instagram and there's a super mom who made perfect organic food for the kids every single day and they're always very beautiful, very dressed well and never in pajamas, and I am completely opposite. Literally in pajamas every single day. And if you yell at your kids, and those influencers always tell you that, how dare you yell your kids? You scare the little soul. So literally give me so much anxiety and mom guilt. Yes, I stamp on my kids sometimes and try my best. And also, I tend to compare myself with other influencers who travel places, who speak at conferences or attend some events. That is such a fantastic life. But I never get to do it because I have a newborn baby. This is literally not doing any good to myself. That's why I'm gonna cut off this habit completely in this new year. So my goal is really to show the other side of the stories that most people do not tell. And especially lots of us actually look up to those VP of product Google and they only show you the career inspirations, achievements they had. They never show you they work until 3 a.m. at night. And then they also have fight with their husband and they also have some kids and parenting challenges. That's my goal in the new year, to really reflect the realities so that I hope somebody is going to laugh with me and grow with me together. So moving forward, this channel's mission is to educate, inspire, and entertain. So you guys also asked me, where do I do stand-up comedy show? It's going to be in this channel. And actually, no, I'm going to do the open mic and in-person on-stage performance for stand-up comedy, and then I'm going to cut little clips and turn into short video and put in all my social channels. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, and TikTok so that hopefully it's going to give you some inspiration and some laughters and de-stress as well. And my last goal for the new year is actually give AI product management for free for teenagers from low-income families. And actually, I'm going to make my next video right here where I'm going to tell you exactly how your kids can qualify for those free AI product management bootcamp training. So excited to see everybody and making your New Year's resolution and start to change who you are, who you want to be, and start have a breakthrough. What's your New Year's resolution? Does any of the messages resonate with you? Please comment below. I'd love to hear from you guys. This is Dr. Nancy from PMAccelerator.io. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you in my next video right here.